Hey everyone, Larry Walsh here for Channelnomics and the Margins, and I'm coming to you from Miami, Florida, where I'm attending and speaking at the ConnectWise AI Futures Summit. This is a great event. It's drawing, a lot of MSPs from across the industry and around the world to hear about what's happening in managed services and AI. And the event comes on the heels of ConnectWise acquiring Sophic, an AI-centric company that supports managed services. Uh, the topics here are really about how AI is going to make managed services better. And this is something that a lot of MSPs that I'm talking with, both here at the event and across the industry, are asking themselves. They're being told by the vendors that they need to get into AI, that the customers want it, the customers need it, particularly around security agents that are going to be performing and handling data inside of the end customer's operations. The question that vexes MSPs, though, is where do they start? And they're not alone. I mean, a lot of companies are struggling with this issue. Where do you actually employ AI to get the maximum benefit? And the conversations I've been having has been around when do we get in? MSPs and other partners across the channel are already struggling with the pace of change. They can't afford to make mistakes. They can't afford high sunk investment costs. So they need to be strategic. And there are many of them that are hearing the siren call that if they don't get an AI now, they're going to miss the wave. And that's just patently untrue, at least in my estimation. The reason being is that AI is not like other innovation waves. It's not like other technologies that have come into the market and have proven that if you don't get in, you're going to be at a disadvantage. If you do get in, you're going to have some degree of separation, at least for a while until the rest of the market reaches critical mass. AI as a technology is so diffused, its use cases are so varied that there's plenty of opportunity for MSPs and other partners to get into AI, to develop their own value propositions, their own offerings that really will make a difference. It's not like if they don't do it today, they're going to miss out. As they will have to do it, they will have to come up with their own AI stories, but it's not this massive rush. It really is about daring to be deliberate, having a real sense of a mission, defining that value proposition, and then making the investments to make it real to their businesses and to their customers. Well, that's about all the time we have right now for In the Margins. If you like what we're doing here, hit like, hit subscribe, tell your friends. Check out our other podcasts, Changing Channels and the Network Effect, as well as also the great research and best practices we have at Channelnomics. Until next time, I'm Larry Walsh.